Hello there, it's Chad Seneschal with Weeldi, and today I wanted to walk you through how to use one of the menu buttons called Add Context Outline. And where you could use Add Context Outline is if you're automating through a website that has several options and it's not clear for the recorder to determine how to tell the difference between the options. In this website, you might see that there is add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. So in order to make sure that it understands that I want to add a specific one, that I want to use a specific add to cart in this automation, I can go to the add context outline. Now, similarly to the get text and the add lookup, when you click on the add context outline, it'll start selecting items around the screen for you that won't be part of your navigation through the website, but instead just instructions for the automation on how to move forward. So in this case, I will go to the specific area that I want to call out, as this is the specific add to cart that I'm looking for versus the other ones. So I'll go ahead and click it. You'll see right up here at the top that the context is set, add to cart. It brings me back to the recording, and now I can move forward with add to cart and continue my recording. I hope that helps. Happy automating.